Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to resize multiple videos in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your PowerPoint presentation, then go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu, select the video option, then choose this device. Now I am select this video and click insert. Then resize the video. Then again go back the insert menu, click the video option, then choose this video, this device and choose another video and insert this. Now we want to resize the two video at once. At first select a video, then press and hold the shift and select this multiple video, then resize this video at once. Now we can see we resize two video or multiple video at once easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.